As it says on the screen, in every industry there's a tipping point, and we're seeing one right now with AI. We're seeing the largest shift since the Industrial Revolution, moving to a world where your data is more important than ever. And many consider it the new oil. And we all want to leverage AI to make better decisions. We want to increase our productivity. But in order to make the most of AI, we need to share our valuable data. If you're, say, a law firm, that might be sensitive client information and documents around that commercially sensitive materials. If you're in pharmaceuticals, that might be proprietary molecular designs and trial data. If you're a SaaS company, it might be your whole code base. And then perhaps if you're KFC, it might be Colonel Sanders' secret chicken recipe. But right now, there's very little governance around how big tech companies are processing your valuable information and where data is being processed and who has access to it. And companies are crying out for change. Here's a survey we did where we surveyed 1,000 UK-based IT decision makers, and the results are quite staggering. Here's a few highlights on the screen. 84% of respondents said that they're concerned about geopolitical threats to data access. 82% said they would switch from big tech for more data control, and 71% said they would prioritize sovereignty in their tech partner choices. So we have a full copy of the survey results available on our sovereignty white paper, which is on our public cloud booth outside. Go check it out, grab a copy, and you can learn more about that. But I also speak to lots of analyst firms like Gartner and ABI, and data sovereignty has become the #1 priority for many organizations. And it's dominating boardroom conversations. And many enterprises are evaluating that data strategy and the risks of having all of their data and their eggs in one basket. And those boardroom discussions are already beginning to translate into action, with companies increasingly demanding true sovereign infrastructure. But right now, we live in a world where your precious data is controlled by very few. You play by the hyperscaler rules. Data sovereignty has become a marketing term, and there is little to no legally agreed definition of what it means. Right now, there's a disconnect between what customers want and what hyperscalers offer. So at Civo, we've built a new kind of cloud and defined a better business model to support it. We've listened carefully to our customers and what they're craving. More value, more simplicity, more flexibility, and more transparency. But perhaps most importantly, we give you more control. We're a UK-founded company and guarantee 100% data sovereignty. Civo is built for more, and today you'll see how Civo delivers exactly that.